Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Brandify You, where we break down the art of science and personal branding. Today, we are diving into one of the most polarizing figures in pop culture. Yes, you guessed it right. It's Kim Kardashian. Now, love her or hate her, there's no denying Kim has built an empire that's hard to ignore. But here's the $1,000,000 question. Did Kim Kardashian build her empire solely on her personal brand, or is it all just hype? Is there more to her success than meets the eye? Stick around because we are going to unravel the reality behind the star. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you are ready to learn how personal branding can turn you into a global icon or reveal the truth behind it all. Let's get started.
Kim Kardashian, the glitz and the glamour, a name that has become synonymous with modern celebrity culture. Written by Gary Vaynerchuk, VaynerMedia. A deep dive into the phenomenon that is Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian. The name alone evokes images of red carpets, luxurious brands, and an undeniable presence in today's pop culture. Her influence stretches far beyond the glitz and glamour. She's become synonymous with a certain kind of aspirational lifestyle, a lifestyle that many dream of but few achieve. From reality TV star to a globally recognized businesswoman, Kim's journey is one that sparks endless debate. How did she transform her image from a reality star to a business mogul? Is it calculated strategy? Or is she simply a master of riding the waves of media attention? Perhaps it's a combination of both. One thing's for sure, Kim Kardashian knows how to make headlines and build a brand. Her ability to stay relevant in an ever-changing media landscape is remarkable. Kim's rise to fame is intertwined with a carefully crafted image, an image that has been meticulously maintained and evolved over the years. She represents a modern-day blend of business and entertainment, a blend that has proven to be incredibly lucrative. She's a constant fixture in the world of fashion and beauty. Her influence in these industries is undeniable. Her name is attached to product lines and endorsements, each one carefully chosen to align with her brand. Kim has successfully leveraged her fame into a sprawling empire, an empire that spans multiple industries and continues to grow. But it's not just about the glitz and glamour. Behind the scenes, there's a sharp business mind at work. Constantly innovating and adapting. Her ability to pivot and seize new opportunities is a key part of her success. This is the story of how Kim Kardashian built her empire. An empire built on a foundation of hard work, strategic thinking, and an unrelenting drive to succeed.
From closets to cameras, the making of a star. Kim's early career was a mix of ambition and opportunity. She honed her sense of style and branding by working as a stylist. This experience provided valuable insight into the world of fashion and celebrity. Little did she know, it was a stepping stone to her own meteoric rise. Then came the reality show that would catapult her into the spotlight, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. The show offered an intimate glimpse into the lives of Kim and her family. It quickly gained a massive following, turning the Kardashians into a household name. Kim's personality shone through, captivating audiences and making her a fan favorite. This platform, while unconventional, became the launchpad for her future endeavors.
Building an empire, beauty, fashion, and beyond. Kim Kardashian, a name synonymous with glamour and influence, has built an empire that transcends traditional boundaries. Kim's entrepreneurial spirit kicked into high gear as her fame grew. She recognized the potential to turn her public persona into a powerful business brand. She ventured into the business world, leveraging her name and image to create successful ventures. Her strategic moves in the industry have been nothing short of revolutionary. She launched KKW Beauty, a cosmetics line that took the industry by storm. The brand quickly became a favorite among beauty enthusiasts. Her makeup products, often inspired by her own iconic looks, resonated with millions. The line includes everything from contour kits to lipsticks, all designed to help fans emulate her signature style. Not stopping at beauty, Kim expanded into the world of shapewear with Skims. This brand redefined the shapewear industry with its innovative designs and inclusive sizing. This inclusive brand focuses on body positivity and caters to diverse shapes and sizes. Skims has been praised for its commitment to inclusivity and comfort. It was an instant hit, proving Kim's ability to identify market gaps and cater to unmet needs. The brand's success is a testament to her keen business sense. These are just two examples in a portfolio that also includes mobile games, fragrances, and other ventures. Each new project showcases her versatility and business acumen, and even a private equity firm. Kim's ability to diversify her investments demonstrates her forward-thinking approach to business. Kim's business acumen is undeniable. She has proven time and again that she understands the power of her brand and uses it strategically. She understands the power of her brand and uses it strategically to diversify and dominate various markets. Her journey from reality TV star to business mogul is truly inspiring, showing that with vision and determination, the sky's the limit.
The Kardashian critics hype or hustle. Kim's success hasn't come without its fair share of criticism. Detractors often argue that her fame is a product of media manipulation and carefully orchestrated controversies. They point to her reality show persona and online presence as examples of calculated image building. Some argue that she's famous for simply being famous, benefiting from a culture obsessed with celebrity gossip and drama. They claim that her business ventures are successful solely because of her pre-existing fame, not necessarily due to her business skills. These criticisms, while often harsh, highlight the double-edged sword of fame. They raise questions about the authenticity of her brand and the source of her entrepreneurial success.
The numbers don't lie. Kim's business triumphs are undeniable. While critics may question her methods, Kim's business achievements are difficult to ignore. Her companies have generated billions in revenue. KKW Beauty in particular was a massive success story. It reportedly generated $100 million in sales within its first year. The brand's valuation skyrocketed, making Kim one of the most successful celebrity entrepreneurs. Skims, her shapewear line, has also experienced phenomenal growth. The brand has secured significant funding from investors, valuing it at several $billion. These financial successes tell a story that goes beyond mere media hype. They demonstrate a keen understanding of target audiences, market trends, and effective branding strategies. Monetizing fame, the Kim Kardashian playbook. Kim Kardashian has become a household name, not just for her reality TV fame, but for her savvy business acumen. So how does she do it? What are the secrets behind her success? Kim has mastered the art of turning her personal brand into a money-making machine. She has diversified her ventures, from beauty products to fashion lines and even mobile apps. One key element is her direct connection with her audience. She knows the importance of staying relatable and accessible. She actively engages with her millions of followers on social media. Her posts are a mix of personal moments, business promotions, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. This creates a sense of intimacy and authenticity, making her followers feel like they're part of her journey. They see her as a friend, not just a celebrity. She understands the power of influencer marketing. By endorsing products she believes in, she builds trust with her audience. Kim frequently promotes her own products and collaborations on her platforms. This not only boosts sales, but also reinforces her brand identity. This direct-to-consumer approach allows her to bypass traditional advertising channels and build brand loyalty. Her fans feel a direct connection to her products. Her understanding of the digital landscape, coupled with her willingness to experiment with new platforms and technologies, keeps her ahead of the curve. She's always on the lookout for the next big thing. She's constantly innovating and finding new ways to monetize her brand. Whether it's through new product launches or strategic partnerships, Kim Kardashian continues to set trends and redefine what it means to be a modern entrepreneur.
Media darling or business maven? Deciphering the reality. The debate surrounding Kim's success often boils down to one question. Is she a savvy businesswoman or simply a master of manipulating the media? The answer is likely a complex blend of both. There's no denying the role media attention has played in amplifying her brand. Her every move is scrutinized and reported on, keeping her name in the headlines. However, it's short-sighted to attribute her success solely to media hype. Kim possesses a sharp business acumen. She identifies opportunities, takes calculated risks, and surrounds herself with a talented team. Her ability to build and scale businesses across various industries points to a deeper understanding of entrepreneurship.
The Celebrity Blueprint, Kim K versus the world. Kim's approach to building a brand and monetizing her fame has become a blueprint for many aspiring celebrities and influencers. Her success has inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs who understand the power of personal branding in the digital age. However, it's important to note that Kim's path is not easily replicable. She rose to prominence in a unique set of circumstances. The rise of reality television and social media played a significant role in her journey. While her strategies offer valuable lessons, aspiring entrepreneurs must forge their own paths and adapt to the ever-evolving media landscape.
Brand view lessons from the Queen of Influence. Kim Kardashian's story offers valuable lessons for anyone looking to build their personal brand. First and foremost, authenticity is key. Kim's willingness to be herself, flaws and all, has resonated with millions. People connect with genuine personalities. Secondly, building a strong online presence is crucial. Kim leverages social media platforms masterfully to connect with her audience, promote her brands, and control her narrative. Third, embrace innovation. Don't be afraid to experiment with new platforms, technologies, and business models. Kim's willingness to evolve has been a key driver of her success.
The Kardashian legacy, a masterclass in branding and media savvy. Kim Kardashian's impact on the worlds of business and entertainment is undeniable. She's redefined what it means to be a celebrity in the digital age, blurring the lines between personal brand and business empire. Her story is a masterclass in leveraging media attention, building a loyal following, and monetizing fame. While the debate about the source of her success will likely continue, one thing is certain. Kim Kardashian is a force to be reckoned with. She's a savvy businesswoman who understands the power of her brand and the ever-evolving media landscape. Love her or criticize her, there's much to learn from the empire she's built.